I've been waiting for you.
Did you know I was coming?
I knew someone was coming. Faisal told me.
How did he know?
Not much happens within 50 miles of Faisal that Faisal doesn't know. I'll give him that. No escort?
My guide was killed at the Matsura well.
Turks?
No, an Arab.
Bloody savages.
This is Wadi Safra, isn't it?
Yes, they're over there. Now, just a minute. What's your name and who sent you?
Lawrence. I've been seconded to the Arab Bureau.
Oh. And what are you to do for the Arab Bureau?
Well, it's rather vague, sir. I'm to appreciate the situation.
Well, that won't be difficult. The situation's bloody awful. Their morale, if ever they had any, which I doubt, the Turks knocked out of them in front of Medina. With howitzers. They're fading away by dozens every night. What I want to say to you is this. That wherever you are, and whoever you're with, you're a British serving officer. And here's an order. When we get into that camp, you're to keep your mouth shut. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. I understand what you're saying.
You'll make your appreciation and get back to... Oh, my God. Not again. I've told him. God knows I've told him. Move south, I've said. You're still in range. They simply will not understand what modern weapons do. Stand and fight! Stand and fight! Fire back at them!
Who are you?
Lieutenant Lawrence, sir. Seconded to the Arab Bureau. This is a bloody mess, sir. We'll have to move south.
Yes, Colonel. 50 miles south. You were right and I was wrong. We must take some thought for the wounded.
Well, we can take care of them at Yenbo, sir.
If they can get to Yenbo.
Well, they can hardly come with us, sir.
No, they must try to reach Yenbo. Lieutenant...
Lawrence.
You understand, Lieutenant Lawrence. My people are unused to explosives and machines. First the guns, and now this.